Okay, next up, who do we have?
Madam J
Ooh,
Beauty. So we
Jessica.
the cup with
Yes.
Madam J. If you could send the request, I haven't seen her. Let's see.
I saw her earlier
Okay,
comment. Let's
so here we go.
see. Oh,
Accept.
there it is. Okay. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Come on, hair. Yes,
Hey,
Lord.
y'all.
Hello there, Miss Jessica. How you doing, girl?
Fantastic. How are you?
Very good. Very, very good.
Good.
So thank you for joining us for Black Business Month and letting us like give you a little shine. I know you're a brand ambassador, but you also have your business. So if you could just take a moment, introduce yourself, and tell us all about your business and things.
Of course. So, hey, y'all. My name is Jessica with a K.
Yeah.
Okay, but I'm best known as Madam J. And I've been a content creator for over 3 years. I am your girl for all things beauty, clean beauty specifically. And I also am the owner of Madam J Beauty. Madam J Beauty is my baby, y'all. It
Yeah.
is a plant powered skincare line for sensitive skin. So, we focus on hyperpigmentation, acne, and dryness. And we use clean and effective ingredients. And our goal is really to help simplify your skincare routine. I know that skincare can be confusing for a lot of people, but you don't need 15 steps to get.
Mm.
Because that skin is glowing.
Thank
The skin is glowing.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
We don't have
Yeah.
on no makeup, y'all. We just
Yeah.
have on mascara and lip gloss,
Same.
okay?
Same.
So
Same.
we, okay, looking
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That is our main goal. And I've had a lot of emotions because last month we reached 5 years in business, and it it's just like such a big deal to me because
It
I'm just like,
is.
unfortunately, a lot of black owned businesses don't get to reach that milestone, and
Mhm.
I just feel so blessed to for God to just trust me with this journey. And I'm someone who grew up like I'm night and day from who I was growing up. I
Mhm.
was very shy, very timid, didn't have self-confidence, self-esteem, was never someone who fit in. So
Yeah.
for me to be on this journey, I'm just really grateful to be able to inspire people and encourage people to really love and enjoy themselves as they are. So a lot of this journey has been healing for me, but also healing for others. And I'm just really grateful.
I love that. Well, congratulations. Look, happy 5 year anniversary.
Thank
That is
you.
huge. It is. It
Thank
is
you.
huge. So that's beautiful. Well, honey, I know you got some products right there. You can show the people
Look, look,
and tell us
look,
a
look.
little bit. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, y'all, we have a 3-step, 4-step, and 5-step skincare routine. Okay. We try to keep things simple. So, most new people who come to the site, they come and get a skincare package because we've already set aside different skincare packages depending on your skin type. So, whether you have sensitive skin, oily acne prone skin, combination skin, dry skin, we have different packages for you. So, we have 3 different face washes, which I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, we have our coconut milk, which is great for sensitive skin, dry skin, and mature skin. We have our honey, which is great for combination skin. And then we have charcoal,
Ooh.
okay, for our oily acne prone skin folks. So all of our packages, depending on your skin type, will have one of these face washes. We also have our toners. So our basic 3-step skincare system, y'all, it has the face wash, it has a toner. This is an underrated skincare product to add to your routine. Toners are not talked about enough, but it really helps balance the pH of your skin. It helps dissolve any remaining impurities from your skin, from your cleanser, and it also helps like reduce those pores, control oil.
That's
Trying to tell y'all.
that's a good
And then
note. I
yes,
need some of that. I need some of the toner. Okay.
you need some of the
Yeah.
toner, okay? And then the third step is the face oil. So face oil, I would say is also underrated, okay? Because first of all, this is our number one product on the site. This is the Rose Glow Face Elixir. And when
Hmm.
I tell y'all, it's good for all skin types. Everyone of all skin types uses this. We spent a lot of time creating this product because originally we wanted three different face oils per skin type. But then we're like, how can we formulate this to be able to simplify people's routines, but make sure it works for everyone? Because a lot of people with oily acne prone skin, they're like, why would I use an oil?
Right.
Well, the thing is, products for oily acne prone skin, they're very stripping. So you continue to use these products because it's stripping the oil, but what's happening is it's taking the essential oils that your skin needs.
Mm-hmm.
So in turn, it's dry. And you have to keep using it to keep it from getting too oily. But if you include an oil that does not clog your pores, okay? It sounds crazy, but this will not clog your pores. It will help control your oil production. So
Love it.
then in turn, that oiliness is going to get toned down, and that's what we're looking for. So very simple, 3 steps in and out.
Can I interject? Can I interject?
Yes.
So I've used these products, okay?
Yes, come on.
And the oil, I'm trying to tell you, every time I wear that oil, people ask me, what do you do for your skin? You're glowing. Like literally, I don't know, girl, I don't know what you put in it, if it's
Look.
gold or what,
I,
but you
I love
will
it.
literally be glowing.
Wow.
I
Thank you.
just wanted to say that.
I
Well,
love that.
real quick, I can tell y'all the oils that are in it. So we have rosehip oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, marula oil.
Mm.
It's an oil that's made in Africa. It is super important. Vitamin E oil, geranium essential oil, and rose petals. When I tell you, one use of this face oil, your skin is glowing.
I love.
Like literally.
So someone just asked, is it only for people of color? Like, or is this for everybody? Is
This is
it
for
only for
everybody.
Black women? Very
Everybody
good.
can use
All
it.
skin
If
type.
you check us, all skin types,
Yes.
and if you visit us, look at our reviews on Google and our website. We have people of all backgrounds who use our products.
Yes.
All skin types, okay? And I didn't show y'all the other two products because I told you it's 5 different products. But we have the 3 steps. And then
Mm-hmm.
if you have like other skin concerns, like of course we want to exfoliate. So I would say probably about at least 2 times a week. Don't overdo it if you have sensitive skin, but we have our super green face scrub and it has matcha green tea.
Ooh, I know that's good. Okay,
Have
I
y'all
got to get all this
ever
picture.
have y'all ever tried a scrub that like when you take it off your skin feels soft?
Ooh,
Okay,
ooh.
like our customers rave about our face scrubs because we our goal is to help you achieve healthy, soft, and glowing skin. With one
Mm-hmm.
use, that is like the main thing people tell us. Oh, someone told me that my skin was glowing today. I've never heard anyone say that. Or
Yeah.
I used the face wash. I didn't even put anything else on yet, and my skin is moisturized.
Yes.
It's all in the moisture, and our skin is normally more sensitive, drier. So we've included ingredients that help boost that moisture and really nourish your skin. So I just
Okay.
love it.
Look,
Love it.
really
Look.
quick because people are. I'm reading the comments as you're talking. Drop the website real quick because
Oh
tell
yeah.
people because they're asking.
Look,
We did just pin her handle, so it should be in her bio. But go ahead.
and also, okay, exclusively for this live tab, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
So we have 15% off if you use code
All
TAB,
right.
TAB. All right.
Yeah.
If you use code TAB, you get 15% off, and that is going to be valid through Saturday at midnight. Okay, that's going to be the cutoff for Black Business Month. But if you go on the website, use code TAB, it's 15% off.
That's right. Period. Okay, very
Yeah.
good. I want to say something that last year we talked right about your
Yes.
business as well, and something that I remembered, and also after that, it's like I started to hear about it even more. A lot of times, people with oily skin are afraid to use oil products because they're like, "Oh, I'm already oily," but your skin is oily because it's trying to produce oil because you don't have the right kind of moisture in your
Right.
skin. So if you get the right kind, don't be afraid. Trust what she's saying. If you get the right kind of moisture, it will
Right.
correct it and balance out the oil. So then you won't have oily skin. Now your skin will be balanced out. So I just wanted to put that out there
Yes.
for for people who get it. See, I remember, girl.
I'm glad that stuck with
It's
you because I
stuck.
love to tell people that
Yes,
it's just all in, education and learning, and I personally love to learn a lot, so I'm always
yes,
researching. So I'm glad that that stuck with you.
yes, absolutely. Well, very. Wait, did you have one more product you were about to
Oh,
show?
you're right.
Yes, go
The
ahead.
turmeric and coconut beauty bar. If you have hyperpigmentation, Angel, have you tried this?
I love it.
If you have hyperpigmentation, redness, acne, this is our beauty bar. This is one of our top products as well. People love this turmeric bar, and
Yes.
it's not going to stain your skin, which is amazing because a lot of turmeric products can stain your skin. But this one right here,
My girlfriend just told me about this, so I'm about to order this as well because I had this. Me and Perry been fighting. I'm going through,
yeah,
so I
yeah.
started getting the little period bumps that I used to get when I was a
Oh,
teenager, and it left a
wow.
little mark right there. You can see. And she was like, "Oh, girl, you just need to get the turmeric bar." I was like, "Okay, very good. This is
Look,
my
I'm telling
reminder."
you, the turmeric bar will get you right. Okay.
Yes, I love it.
Wait,
Oh,
isn't there a turmeric scrub?
Yes.
come
So
on,
it's a turmeric scrub.
Angel.
I know. Look, Angel, help me out. Thank you.
I'm
Yes.
I use the products. I love them.
So we have a turmeric scrub, and we also have a turmeric bar. So we just launched a three-step kit that is like the glow kit for hyperpigmentation, and it has the turmeric and coconut beauty bar, the turmeric face scrub, and it also has the rose glow face elixir because the rose glow face elixir also helps with evening your skin tone and fading dark marks. The rosehip oil is key.
Mm,
So we have that. And then lastly, I don't want to take too much of y'all's time, but
okay.
I got to share with the
Come
people.
on.
So we launched an ultra sensitive kit on our site. So we don't use any artificial fragrances. As I mentioned before, a lot of us have more sensitive skin. So
Mhm.
fragrances can really irritate the skin. Our products, we only use essential oils. We love some sweet orange, some tea tree, jasmine, all the good things. However, we also recognize that there are some people who also can't handle essential oils.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
our new ultra sensitive skincare package has our coconut milk face wash, which has no essential oils, but it is so refreshing on the skin. It also has our Delight Toning Mist. So this is a different toner, and our Duo Glow Face Elixir, which is a different face oil.
I love
Both
a
of
dual
these,
glow.
look, let me tell you something. It uses the power of cucumber seed oil and prickly pear in these two products. No
Ooh.
essential oils added, but it smells like cucumber and it is so refreshing.
Ooh. That's
So
spa day at home. Spa day at
literally,
home. I love it.
literally. So if you have ultra
Amazing.
sensitive skin, get this new
You
three
got it.
step package. Yep.
So basically, what she has told y'all is she got multiple products, okay?
Yes.
Which means y'all got to go to the website. She's highlighted some of them, but she has other
Mm-hmm.
things. Shop with your heart's delight, okay? Buy all the
Oh,
things, but you
yep.
absolutely have options depending on what you're looking for and for your skin. And I love that. And I'm so
Yes.
proud of you.
Thank you.
Thank you for being a brand ambassador for Donna's Recipe, but also for just continuing to pursue your passion, continuing to learn more about what your business is. It's just a beautiful thing to witness. So, of course, you made 5 years. Happy anniversary
Oh,
again. And y'all be sure to support her, madamjbeauty.com. And we love you, honey.
thank you. I love y'all so much. This has been so
Absolutely.
great.
Well,
And y'all
very,
know, y'all, Black Business Month, don't forget to check out Donna's recipe, okay?
okay, very
'Cause-
good. And
Look,
also, after Black Business Month, please keep supporting
please.
these businesses.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay? Very, very
All
good. Well, honey, we
right.
love you. We
I
got
love
one more to
y'all.
bring in. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye. I love it.
Okay.